especially when you don't know what's inside of it. You always want to make a lot of noise. So if the squad is in it, they know you're coming in. And this way you don't get any shocks, no surprises, because I'm telling you, a lot of these abandoned houses have people living in it. We got some horror stories for you today. Welcome back, family. I can't even call you Highest Hustle Trial yet. We're still looking on the name. Let me take my mask off because I'm pretty sure you guys can't hear me. So we're at a new property that we're looking to buy. It's gonna be our new flip. Show you want to a little spin around with you. That's one of our favorite realtors right there. Nicole, throw it up. Hey. You see our partner Vlad there. Vlad, throw it up to the camera. Hi, team. As you can see, these are the properties that we like. Looks abandoned. You see all this stuff all over. Inside. The outside isn't too bad. It doesn't. But the real thing comes when you see the inside. So we're gonna see the inside and see if it's as good as it looks, or should we be a little nervous? You guys excited? We're about to flip another property. Woo! We gotta get the behind the scenes secrets. I don't know why we say that. Behind the scenes. And then also you get to come, because every time we finish buying a house, we do weekly updates. So you get to see the contractors work. Oh my God, look at that. They have their own chicken coop. Look at that. Especially when you don't know what's inside of it. You always want to make a lot of noise. So if the squad is in it, they know you're coming in. And this way you don't get any shocks, no surprises, because I'm telling you, a lot of these abandoned houses have people living in it. We got some horror stories for you today. Yo. So as you guys can see, it is a two-family. This will be going upstairs. This is the first floor. And what we're doing is we're looking for any damages. Obviously up here. We got that pick up here. And then I don't think we can get rid of the whole wall.
No. We make a bigger opening.
Oh, okay.
Let's
see how far back we can take it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. We keep the same setup. And we're done.
Yeah. So things we always look for. You want to see, when any time you're doing a flip, you want to see what you can save in the house. So right now, this wood is good. Meaning we can put new wood on top of it. We don't have to worry about changing this additional wood because you're not falling through, there's no cracks. What windows can we save? Maybe this one, but all these others have to go. What other things can we save? We went in the bathroom. The porcelain tiles are all right. It's not major, but we might be able to save those too. So you want to see what you can save, because that's going to lower the amount of money you're investing inside of this room. Does that make sense?
Yes.
This kitchen is kind of tight. You look at it, walls to open up, because you want it to feel spacious. When you have a property, you want them to feel tight and confined, because they're likely to say, you know what, this doesn't deserve this amount of money and stuff like that. But the more room they fill, the better. And staging it also helps. That's why Vlad mentioned it downstairs. Sounds like there might be birds in it.
It's outside. The windows are open.
Oh, the windows? Windows open. Oh, okay. Sound real close. There's a bird nest in it. We just gotta sell it with
relocate.
birds.
Gently relocate.
So we'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we get it. Hope you appreciate it. This is behind the scenes of getting a flip, acquiring a flip, and this is how we make deals happen. That's it.
Over and out.